Hello guys, welcome to MR.LEARNING. In this video I am going to show you how to fix we could not find wireless device on this PC in error here in the Windows. So it is simply process. Before you are begin, please like and comment this video. Don't forget subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay, let's start. Solution, first solution, restart. So go to the start menu, then click to power button, select the restart button, click here to restart your system. Then go to the next solution, services. So go to the services, then click to open it, then scroll down, find plan auto config, then right click, then properties, click here, then startup type, check it, startup type automatic, okay, don't touch, then click service status is running, okay. Please if you have service status is stopped, then you have change, you can try to start button, click here to change it running, then hit the apply after, then click to ok button, click here to close it, then restart your system, then your problem fix it now. Then go to the next solution, then device manager. So go to the device manager and click to open it, then select that network adapter, expand, click to, then select the adapter, then right click, then update driver, click to update the driver, then browse my computer for drive, then change the location, so click to browse, then scroll down, then click to expand this PC, then click to local disk C, scroll down, find Windows folder, then expand, then again scroll down, then select the Win S into S folder, then hit the OK, then change, okay, here change it, then let me pick, then select that adapter, then next button click here to update your driver, then refresh your system, then your problem fixing now. Still not working, then only then go to the next solution for the restart adapter. So go to that settings, then click to system, then scroll down, then select that troubleshoot, then select the other troubleshooter, then click to network and internet, then right side so the run, then click here, then open the notification tab, so come here, get help notification tab, then scroll down, then second option restart with restart the Wi-Fi network adapter, then click to expand, then select the click to the restart adapter, after that restart that here, so the okay, wait, okay, it is finished, you are connected internet, so close it, then again restart your system, then your problem fix it now. Then last method for the reset internet connection, so same again go to that settings, then select the network internet, then scroll down, advanced network settings, click here, again find network reset, then here show the reset button, and click to confirmation yes, click on it, after that restart your system, then your problem fixing now. Then finally restart your system, then your problem fix it now. Thanks for watching, and like and comment this video. Don't forget subscribe our YouTube channel, and if you do you need any videos, please ask me.